Hi and welcome to my product review for the KitchenAid personal coffee maker model 5K0M0402, which comes equipped with a 540ml thermal mug to keep your drink warm on the go. Today I will be showing you from start to finish how the coffee machine works, along with my views of the product. The water tank, which is situated on top of the coffee machine, is easy to remove to add fresh water. Today we will be adding 360ml of water. You can add more, you can add less, depending on what cup you use, as you can use ordinary cups as well as a thermal mug. If you do add too much water, it is easy to drain some out, as there is a hole at the back of the water tank which you can easily tip some out. It is easily replaceable back on top of the coffee machine. And then, for every 100ml of water, it is suggested 1 tablespoon of ground coffee is added to the filter. So, to add the coffee, we simply swing open this and we find the filter inside. Then measure out the coffee to add into the filter. So as we added 360ml of water, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of coffee. Then we swing back the filter compartment back, and then we just add the thermal cup mug onto the stand, and then with one press of the button we are off. My personal views on the coffee machine is it's ideal for a household of 1 to 2 people. It does take about 5 minutes for the coffee to be done. In a way that is good, because you can carry on with other stuff if you've got other stuff to do. Ideally you could be getting the kids ready for school in the morning, and with one press of the button after setup, the coffee can be filtering through and getting the kids ready, and then once it's done, it's ready to take to school while you're walking the kids to school. You can use paper filters in the filter instead of the metal meshing filter, but we all like to save money, so why spend money when it's not necessary? Easy to clean, quick wipe over, filter, quick rinse off, and it's ready to be used again. It was delivered by AO.com, absolutely fantastic delivery. It was also delivered on a Sunday, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you do work at weekends, or you work in a week, you can alternate your delivery on what suits you, which is absolutely fantastic. So AO, top marks. It does have a drip tray on underneath the thermal mug, which is easily cleaned off for the excess water that does drip onto the drip tray after the thermal mug is used. Again, as suggested earlier, you can use normal mugs on it. Depends on what size mugs you prefer, to be fair. The only downfall is it does take 5 minutes to do. Again, so if you were to have 5 people in the household, it would take approximately 30 to 35 minutes to make 5 cups. That is the only downside. But if there's 2 of you, it wouldn't be so bad. When it does finish, you do get 3 beeps at the end. So it does give you a warning, so if you're carrying on doing other stuff whilst waiting for it to finish, you can hear the beep to let you know that it has finished. It is suggested also to use bigger coffee ground than fine coffee ground, so it doesn't clog the filter up. Fantastic piece of kit. Happy delighted with it. I'm the only one who drinks coffee in my household, so it's not all that bad. So all the water is out of the water tank now, all into the thermal mug. It does stand for about another 30 seconds for your light to brew. Again, as soon as it's ready to come off, you will hear 3 short beeps. And then it's basically ready to drink if you like your coffee black, or you can take the lid off, which is easy to take off with a twist and a pull. We'll demonstrate in 10 seconds. If I was to give it a rating, probably would give 7 out of 10. That's the 3 beeps, and now we can remove the thermal mug. And as said previously, a twist and a pull and the lid comes off. Hot coffee, steam coming out. So coffee is ready to drink. As said, here's a drip tray to collect the excess water that drips off. Metal plate on top, a little container which collects the water. Shake it out. Again, pull the filter out, give it a quick rinse out, put it back in, swing it back shut, ready to be used again. Hope you enjoyed my review, hope you tune in to more, and hope to see you all soon. Bye.